If you want to install the iOS launcher on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to download the iOS launcher, which we can do, for example, from the Play Store. If we go to the Play Store, we should be able to use the search option at the bottom, then the search field at the top, and in here we can type something like iOS launcher, iPhone theme, or something similar. Then you should be able to find a bunch of different launchers that, of course, you can try to use. It's up to you which one you want to try. And I actually encourage you to try them out in order to find out which one you like the most. In my case, I'm gonna use this one over here. I'm gonna install this one and I'm gonna show you how to set it up. So once we get the launcher, we want to open it and we need to set it up. You might see some ads in the meantime, of course. In here, we don't have to agree to use location by the app. We can, of course, allow the access to contacts and accounts if you want to. We can also grant access to photos and videos. And there we go. Now, one thing that you have to do is you need to go to make a default launcher in order to, of course, make sure that whenever you go to the home screen, you actually open this iOS launcher instead of the standard one. So in here, you want to tap on OK, and then you want to switch from One UI to the iOS launcher. You might see this blur effect message, but that is fine. It appears every time on every smartphone. So we can just tap on Never in here. Then we have the welcome message, so we can tap on Got it. And there we go. Now we have our iOS launcher. So we can go to the app library, for example. We can tap on the search option to open the full app library in here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.